the dollhouse, and that we miss you coming in every day, and we miss you at story time. Can anybody see me? I hope you can hear me. Please let me know. I'm not seeing anything. Okay, well, I'm going to start anyway. Like I said, I'm Annamarie. I usually do the story time for 2 and under, but today it's for all ages. And I brought with me Not Rocky. Everybody knows Kathy. Have you seen Kathy online? She's been doing story time with all of you with Rocky. Well, this dog is named Not Rocky. So everybody say hi to Rocky. I know you all like to say hi to him. Hello. Hello, everybody. I hope you can hear me. Okay. I'm not seeing anything, so I don't know if anybody can see me. But I'm just going to keep going. Okay. Let's start with, we're going to let Rocky, Not Rocky, lie on the couch. Yes, I allow him to lie on my couch. Can we start with open, shut them? Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Lay them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep them, crawl 'em, creep them, crawl 'em. Right up to your chin, chin, chin. Open up your little mouth, but do not let them in, in. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Lay them in your lap, lap, lap. Hi, Mark. I noticed you're on. I'm so excited to see you. I hope you enjoy this. Okay. Since we're clapping, let's do my favorite song. If you want to hear a story, clap your hands. If you want to hear a story, clap your hands. If you want to hear a story, clap your hands. If you want to hear a story and you really want to show me. If you want to hear a story, clap your hands. If you want to hear a story, stomp your feet, stomp, stomp. If you want to hear a story, stomp your feet, stomp, stomp. If you want to hear a story and you really want to show me. If you want to hear a story, stomp your feet, stomp. If you want to hear a story, touch your nose. If you want to hear a story, touch your nose. If you want to hear a story and you really want to show me. If you want to hear a story, touch your nose. If you want to hear a story, tap your shoulders. If you want to hear a story, tap your shoulders. If you want to hear a story and you really want to show me. If you want to hear a story, tap your shoulders. If you want to hear a story, wiggle your ears. Can you do it? If you want to hear a story, wiggle your ears. If you want to hear a story and you really want to show me. If you want to hear a story, wiggle your ears. Let's go back to clapping our hands. If you want to hear a story, clap your hands. If you want to hear a story, clap your hands. If you want to hear a story and you really want to show me. If you want to hear a story, give me applause. I'm just kidding. But we always clap at the end of every song. The kids know the song is ending and it's time for either a book or a new song. Hi, Cormac and Matilda. Nice to see you. Okay, we're going to do a book, and it's called Baby Dance the Polka. It's about a family in Arkansas, and they can't get the baby to sleep. That happens in Massachusetts too, huh? Okay, it's by Karen Beaumont and Jennifer Placus. Hope you can see it. I'm trying. Can we see? It was nap time on the farm. The animals drifted off to sleep. The barn was filled with yawning cows and pigs and goats and sheep. Inside, baby closed his eyes. Sleep tight, his mama said. Your pa and I have chores to do. You better stay in bed. But instead, while Papa shaved his whiskers and Mama washed her wig, Baby danced the polka with a polka-dotted pig. Whoa, Papa's whiskers. Whoa, Mama's wig. Go, Baby giggled with the polka-dotted pig. Did you hear what Mama told you? Did you hear what Papa said? It's your nap time, little baby. Now you better stay in bed. But instead, while Papa starched his long johns, yes, and Mama stitched her coat, Baby boogie-woogied with a frisky little goat. Whoa, Papa's long johns. Whoa, Mama's goat. Go, Baby giggled with the frisky little goat. Did you hear what Mama told you? Did you hear what Papa said? It's your nap time, little baby. Now you better stay in bed. But instead, while Papa hauled the water and Mama fixed the chow, Baby danced a cha-cha with a chocolate-covered cow. Whoa, Papa's water. Whoa, Mama's chow. Go, giggled Baby with a chocolate-covered cow. Did you hear what Mama told you? Did you hear what Papa said? It's your nap time, little baby. Now you better stay in bed. But instead, while Papa read the paper and Mama fell asleep, Baby shooby-dooby with a shaggy little sheep. Not again, Mama muttered. I give up, Papa said. This baby's just not sleepy. He won't never stay in bed. So instead, get out your fiddle, said Mama, and your dancing shoes, said Pa. We'll have the best polka fest in all of Arkansas. All the animals dancing. They danced until the sun went down. The moon was full and bright. I'm tucking out, Pa finally said. It's time to say good night. Ma and Pa kissed Baby, then they tucked him into bed, with dreams of polka parties still dancing in his head. The end. Morning, Victoria. It's so great to see you. I'm so glad you're here. Okay, what should we do next? Don't know if Santos is watching, but one of his favorites is Where is Thumpkins, so we're going to do that one. Put our hands behind our back. Where is Thumpkins? Where is Thumpkins? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today? Says, very well, I thank you. Run away. Run away. Where is Pointer? Where is Pointer? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today? Says, very well, I thank you. Run away. Run away. Where is Tallman? Where is Tallman? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today? Says, very well, I thank you. Run away. Run away. Where is Ringman? Where is Ringman? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, sis? Very well, I thank you. Run away, run away. Where is Pinky? Where is Pinky? Let's try that again. Where is Pinky? Where is Pinky? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, sis? Very well, I thank you. Run away, run away. Where is the family? Where is the family? Here we are, here we are. How are you today, sis? Very well, I thank you. Run away, run away. All right, good job, guys. I hope you all joined in. We're going to do a book about a bear who's supposed to be sleeping. He's supposed to be hibernating all winter, but bear can't sleep. By Karma Wilson, and it's illustrated by Jane Chapman. We have reflection from the light of the windows. But anyway, we'll try. In his home in the forest, while the cold wind blows, Bear snuggles in his quilt from his nose to his toes. While the snowflakes fall and the drifts pile high, Bear tosses and he turns. Bear moans and he sighs. He stares at the walls. He's not tired at all. And Bear can't sleep. I love that picture. You can all say it to me with me. And Bear can't sleep. Pitter-patter, tiptoe, Mouse scurries in the lair to check on his fire and his good friend Bear. Oh no, Mouse squeaks. You're up too late. It's winter in the woods and bears hibernate. Mouse frets, dear me, while he brews mint tea. And we can all say it together. And Bear can't sleep. Yeah. Bear is counting sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4. When Badger and Hare tumbled through the door. Oh, Mouse says Hare, we were just out walking. Bear should be sleeping, but we heard him talking. Bear snuggles down deep in a sad, furry heap, but he still can't sleep. Mouse turns down the lamp. Badger builds the fire up. Hare pours some milk into Bear's tin cup. Then Gopher and Mole tunnel up through the lair. Mole frets and he fusses. It is bedtime for bears. The cold wind blows while the firelight glows, but the bear can't sleep. He's trying. Wren, Owl, and Raven, they flutter inside to find Bear awake with his eyes open wide. Wren hops to and fro. What else is there to try? A song might make him sleepy. So they sing a lullaby. All gathered in the lair, they hum along for Bear, but he still can't sleep. I'm awake, roars Bear, and that's all there is to it. I have tried to fall asleep, but I just can't do it. I'm bored, bored, bored. So, I'll spin you all a tale. Once upon a time, in the strawberry vale, the friends huddled in as the story begins, since the bear can't sleep. Bear tells a story he has never told before. But just before the end, there comes a rumbling snore. When the sun peeks up on a bright new dawn, the friends can't sleep. But the bear snores on. The end. I like that story. Okay, let's see, what should we sing? We have a stump. How about ABC? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Good job, guys. And since we were doing that, why don't we do Twinkle, Twinkle? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Oh, good. I hope you guys sang with me. It would drown out my voice, too, so it would be helpful. Okay. The next one is The Napping House by Audrey Wood and Dawn Wood. Do we see a theme? Napping, sleeping. There is a house, a napping house, where everyone is sleeping. And in that house there is a bed. And I'll show you the bed. We have one. A cozy bed in a napping house where everyone is sleeping. And on that bed, there is a granny. A snoring granny on a cozy bed in a napping house where everyone is sleeping. And on that granny, there is a child. A dreaming child on a snoring granny on a cozy bed in a napping house where everyone is sleeping. And on that child, there is a dog. I forgot what kind. A dozing dog on a dreaming child on a snoring granny in a napping house where everyone is sleeping. And on that dog there is a cat. A snoozing cat. On a dozing dog. On a dreaming child. On a snoring granny. On a cozy bed. In a napping house where everyone is sleeping. And on that cat, there is a mouse. A slumbering mouse. Whoops. All right, that didn't. There you go. A slumbering mouse. On a snoozing cat. On a dozing dog. On a dreaming child. On a snoring granny. On a cozy bed. In a napping house where everyone is sleeping. And on that cat, there is a flea. Could it be a wakeful flea? On a slumbering mouse? On a snoozing cat? On a dozing dog? On a dreaming child? On a snoring granny? On a cozy bed? In a napping house where everyone is sleeping? A wakeful flea who bites the mouse. Who scares the cat. Who wakes the dog. Who bumps the child. Who bumps the granny. Who breaks the bed in a napping house where no one now is sleeping. The end. Okay, I hope you liked my stories. I have to find all of my parts of the napping house. They're all over the place. We miss you guys. I have to say we all miss you. You've seen Allison on Tuesdays. You'll see Megan on Wednesday. You'll see Ann on Thursday. And you'll see me every Friday. I have a bunch of books. So I'm ready for next Friday too. I'm planning ahead. Just want to say goodbye. And before we leave, what's my closing song? It's always Baby Shark. So it goes, Baby Shark, do, 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 Baby Shark, do, 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 Brother Shark, do, 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 Brother Shark, do, 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 Mama Shark, do, 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 Mama Shark, do, 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 Daddy Shark, do, 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 Daddy Shark, do, 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 now we swim, do, 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 now we swim, do, 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 from the shark, do, 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 from the shark, do, 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 and you can hug all of your kids for gotcha. Okay, well, thank you for joining us. Not Rocking wanted to say goodbye. I know we usually do a high five, but we'll do it in the air, pretend high five. And we'll see you next week. Take care.